What's going on?
I'm going to set this up so that I can hook it back up. And I'm going to demonstrate a little bit on how that's done. Because I hooked up this little one and there's not enough magnetic, something's not right with it. This baby over here. Because it's pushing, it's not even pushing 90 degrees though. And there's enough juice, there should be enough juice for it to go. This one will go. So we're going to use this one. I just thought, little rotor, 4 magnets, it's going to whip, but I can't get it to grip, so it's not going to whip. Too much stuff around now. I'm getting overwhelmed with all the wires and stuff I didn't pick up yet, all that.
Pulse motor mayhem overwhelm.
Exactly. Pulse motor mayhem is overwhelming sometimes. I mean, just look at all this stuff. It's awesome.
What's up, Cal?
Hey, Peter, how's it going, man? How's it going? Oh man, did you see my latest video with the dual rotor? I can just throw it up there. That's good. That's good, Kale. So I was thinking about... Nice. Cool. I've been working hard for the last little bit. I haven't been able to get over the computer yet. Alright, so I got to hook up my other power supply. My pulse motor is so stable right now, it is unbelievable.
Yeah, there it is in the foreground. Yeah.
Heck yeah. Alright, so let's take a look at that real quick. Over there, the pulse motor. This is awesome because this goes up to 60 volts and it does up to 8 amps. And with the pickup coils, I'm only drawing like almost an amp. So I can actually turn it up, 27. We'll do 27. I like doing 30, but we'll do 27. And this, see, it's so low to the ground now that the center of gravity, the pole doesn't even shake. Yeah, SNES. That's it. Who's got the Super Nintendo? I got the Super Nintendo with all the games.
Right here.
I got all the games.
Wow.
And this is going to produce about 400 volts of AC electricity. Or at least it produces 400 when we got the other pulse motor on top of the other rotor. And then we spin it the opposite direction. It's like the voltage goes up. So we're at 300 volts now. Oh shit. I got it. Thanks, bro.
Yep.
Alright, so it's going that way. We'll spin it this way. And 310. I don't know how we got it up to 419 the last time I looked at it when I did this experiment. Might have been a magnetic shaft. I don't know. I don't know. But at least we're getting 300 so.
Yeah, it does.
And that one on the top will spin for an abnormal amount of time.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up?
Like and subscribe, drop a comment if you curious about pulse motors, anything we got going on here.
Alright, we're gonna crank it up a little bit. $36. Sounds like one of those trigger coils is firing, but it's not hooked up.
It does smell like something.
What do you mean smell like something?
Go over there. Smell something. Is that normal smell?
Yeah, that's nothing.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, my brother fucked me out, man. He's like, something's on fire. I'm like, oh, I don't smell it.
No, it's not like the old days, man. All's good. All is well. All is well.
So when you saw it, when it slowed down, it started wobbling really bad.
Yep.
All right. So I'm debating on how I'm going to use this rotor. I'll get back to you guys on that one. Because it's 9 magnets, I think it would go in tandem with the 9 magnet one if we were going to try like a 0-point thing. But there's definitely, see what I see is that needing to happen is you got to put the coils on the rotor in the middle. And then you got to put all your batteries and your circuitry on that rotor. It's got to be on the rotor. It's the only way it'll work. Then you might need a tube to put wires down the center so that it'll spin freely. That's the only way I can figure it working is if you put all the circuitry, the battery, anything that's going to run it, and the coils on the rotor part. And then the magnet should be on the outer rotor or the top, the hood. And then it kind of hangs over and it spins in the opposite direction. The only way you can spin the coils is if the wires are spinning with. You get what I'm trying to say? If you do this, you will bump into a part where the coil, wire, the wires, whatever they're hooked to, is going to become a problem unless they're on the rotor. Yeah, if you got a way to transfer the electricity, either through wireless or, like he said, brushes, yeah, you could do it that way too. But I see that as being a solution to a problem. There are multiple solutions, more than likely. But if you put the battery, the circuitry, and then it isn't tethered to anything, anywhere. You know, it can go as far as the battery will take it. without needing any aid of any kind.
So why don't you explain the setup here and what you got?
Okay, so we got trigger coil here. This is 4,000 turns of 32 gauge. It all you gotta do is go like that and it'll fire. You got main drive, which is 16 gauge, 200 turns. And you got two pickup coils, which are each 200 turns of 24 gauge. And then since they're 10 filer coils, I put all the rest of the 9 strands into a transformer generator circuit. So all 9 from here and 9 from here, so 1,800 turns are connected to these 4 coils. And this is 10,500 turns of 32 gauge. This is 18,000 turns of 32, 22,000 turns of 32, and 666 turns of 20. All just for generating, and it's looped. So it'll go out this way. It'll go into a pulse motor over here, turn it on, then it'll go all the way around back to the beginning. So it's a loop. And that's what we're doing right now. We're putting this one back together. I tried hooking up a smaller one, but there's something not working with it. I don't know what it is. I mean, it'll fire, but it won't push 90 degrees even. And that it moves like pretty easily. Yeah, it's not easy. But I love each one of my coils, so it's like not hard either. Hey
everybody, welcome to the channel. Like and subscribe, drop a comment if you want to know about pulse motors or what we're doing here.
All right, so another thing that I also noticed without even trying to put it together is that 0 point is a synergistic reading. You're only going to get that exponential reading when they're together. You won't get them when they're apart. They'll spin at normal speed when they're apart, but when they're together, that reading will be twice to exponential. It's more likely to be exponential because I get twice just running it like this, twice to 3-4 times the hertz just running it regularly. So when you do that 0 point and you're going like this really fast, that reading is going to give you an exponential hertz reading. But like if you do a tack reading, you're not going to get that it's not going to reflect that. But that energy coming off of that is going to be real. It's going to be real and it's going to be unbelievable. But yeah, I say like if you put all the connections on the rotor and you make your rotor big enough to house all that, and you nail it down, man. You nail it to your rotor, and then you can spin your coils. And I mean, even if they're on the outside, spinning them is going to be not easy. You know, you got to have a platform with all of what you need on it, and that whole thing's got to spin.
That makes sense to me.
You know what I'm saying? So why don't you just put it all on the thing that's spinning already? Right? Hell yeah, it's going to be a challenge. I mean, that's the route that I would take. And then maybe even put a remote control on it. have your little antenna sticking out like this, but you know, or just have it be the shaft even.
Ooh, yeah, test the coil, popping.
Yeah, I've been wondering about that like my whole life. I think we should have a whole infrastructure designed on the Tesla coil. We could actually start, you know, having our roads go up instead of just being rebuilt every couple of years. We could have them go straight up with the Tesla coils, because all you have to do is find something that will repel the energy created by the Tesla coil, and then bam, you got yourself another road. Actually, it's just affixed to your tires or your wheels or whatever is on the bottom of your car will float on this new road. And I think a Tesla coil could be very into doing that.
I think I'm like having visions of Back to the Future, like Atlantis stuff, but I think that makes sense. If you can create an infrastructure that can focus it,
Yeah, and then you wouldn't need to. You could do it either way, though.
and then right on top of it, yeah, that would be a hover ability for sure.
Yeah, but it's like using. There'd be so many implications that you could use it for.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I mean, like, it's not just for transportation. It could be for lots of different things.
Like construction.
Helping the boring, you know, all the boring that's going on right now.
Oh yeah. No doubt. That's a smart one. Tunnels are the future, y'all.
And what's that? And everybody's gonna have to hand over their keys eventually.
Oh, for driving?
Yeah.
I think if you were born after 2010, you will have the option to get a driver's license because there will be autonomous
So there's
driving.
always gonna be the option. That's good.
You know, in the next 2 years. That's my guess.
Look at that. Now you can get that. Yeah. Hell yeah.
That thing is.
Where's the tach meter? God, look at this mess.
Look at
It's
that.
over there somewhere.
I don't see it.
Here it is. So it's not going 1,000 yet.
I hear that. It kicks in.
Yeah, that beat.
Yeah. Those are the coils speaking.
I'm not interested in time travel. He brought up, you know, what's it the movie? Because we watched it the other day, man. But just keeping it. I mean, the UFO, I can handle that. But I guess that's true. And I've been having this weird phenomenon with my phone. My camera's been like auto-focusing rapidly.
I saw that.
I have to get a new phone.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up?
Like and subscribe, drop a comment. If you have any questions, curious about what we're doing.
Oh, 0 point. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It just popped right up. Alright. 31 volts in. Let's check the...
Boom shakalaka. Yeah, it does.
What are we looking at here? 333?
Yeah, 234. Oh, you're talking about the bearing. I see it now.
did smell something.
Oh, there it is, y'all. Can you? Yeah, there it is.
Nah, man. All right, we gotta hold back. That's fun though, having to be able to go that high. But I can't blow any more transistors. We're gonna keep it safe. 25 max.
I'll open the window.
See, you can one hand the window, and my windows don't open. So I mean.
I've been going to the gym, man.
Yeah, I can tell. All right, so we need to get.
Oh my! Oh, that's a great suggestion, man.
What's that?
But we're gonna have to be like, have it just drop on it, and we're gonna be behind something. No, I'm just kidding.
Drop a Super Bowl?
Yeah, when this is spinning.
Oh, one of those bouncy balls. Oh yeah.
But yeah, not
We got one. My son. He's got to have one of those.
MOSFETs. He's advocating for MOSFETs.
You think a MOSFET will work on my rotor? Because I'll just go buy a SG MOSFET from K if you think it'll work.
Yep, he said N channel MOSFET.
Who said? Pete?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They have three prongs.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have it pre-built. I'm gonna buy it pre-made.
I got it.
Circuit.
I read that wrong anyway.
Hell yeah, I've been trying to use MOSFETs with this shit forever. And every time I hook it up, it doesn't grip.
So that was a quick fix replacement. Before we'd have to identify, search, and troubleshoot.
Yeah,
that's not happening
so
anymore.
So many transistors going at the same time. You know what? We're just gonna do 21.
Just look at all the connections here. Go ahead.
All right, so I gotta start gluing some stuff on here. Pardon the mess, guys. I've been working hard on this all day, and I haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. So. Yeah, getting rid of the maglev was a pretty difficult decision, actually, because I advocate for that, but it's obviously running better without it. Let that dry. Yeah, I was disappointed when this one didn't spin. I mean, it came close to spinning, but I don't have any more copper to throw at it right now.
So you think the magnets that are on it are just?
Yeah, It's not that they're too small. It's just that they don't
They're not gripping.
add up. They don't link up very well. 'Cause I had it spinning before with a Hall effect back in the other room.
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah.
That's
Here it is, right here. It's this.
the reed switch. The recent one's pretty cool. The keychain and paperclip one, and it works.
Yeah, it doesn't get rid of the arcing though. I thought maybe having an iron ring and using iron would help with the arcing, but it just makes it quite hot.
So we gotta do some nighttime video of that and see if it looks cool. I like how we had those videos and it was like a green blue kind of flash when
Oh, yeah,
when
yeah.
the arcing happened. Yeah. Nice catch.
God damn, I hate glue. I really do, man.
Sorry, bro. It was all perfect, but he was glued to it. So. You're good. You're good. Just got to do it again.
Yeah, how many times have I had to redo the glue? Oh my lord. Just from a core being too freaking close to the rotor. Man, I've almost used a whole bag of glue today.
It's a lot of glue, but it's necessary. And there's glue bag culture and like ways that you operate with the glue bag.
See, but when these magnets, there's no problem with this one. It's got ceramic bearings, but that's probably why. Oh shoot, what's going on here? Look out.
Yep. Oh, I see. And this is air gap. So you may have to do it again. It's okay. So let me see.
I'm not gonna open another package of glue though.
Okay. So you're saying this is it?
Yeah, I'm saying let's focus. I need to focus.
You got this, man. You got this.
So we got 180 degrees taken care of with the coils. But yeah, about 0 point, I was definitely thinking about having the coils be on the rotor.
No, man, this is the OG Science Channel.
And my friends and I have decided to I don't have that kind of accent, bro.
Yeah, right.
If I do, I don't know it. And if anybody's offended by my hillbilly accent, I apologize.
Sounds pretty Midwestern to me, my man.
So that's pretty 180, don't you think? Pretty good?
Yep.
Timed right and everything?
Uh-huh.
So when, like right there, look at that. That's perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. We are Irish.
Yeah, she's. I mean, right.
Yeah.
When I grow
Is it
my beard,
Scottish, though?
well, we definitely have some Scottish, but when I grow my beard out, there's definitely some red in it.
Red? Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, man. Let's not go down the narrow path.
Yes, I love Benjamin Franklin. He was an awesome person, and he did a lot of things back in the 1760s that, gave
Take a swim.
a path to where this is. So like and subscribe, join
Yeah.
Navy SEAL.
Maybe SEAL, please
Maybe
join
you will
us.
find something out.
Join the master's program, homie. You'll learn something, I hope. If you really are a Navy SEAL, you should be ashamed of yourself. Right. So, um, I'm gonna keep doing what I was doing.
And you're gonna get 4 on here.
Maybe. I'm gonna go for 3 right now. If I can find a 4th one, I'll put it up. There's one.
All right. For sure, you'd be time traveling.
Yeah, sorry guys for the rude.
Hey, it happens. We just got to be on top of the moderator.
Yeah.
We're just gonna moderate things like that moving forward.
Really, I hope he isn't a real Navy SEAL. Dude. Just personally, I think that's dishonorable.
Yes.
Being a troll.
Yep. No doubt.
All right, that's one more glue stick down.
Nice. So you say you've gone through 16 glue sticks today?
Actually, I'm gonna try something with this coil.
Right.
You know how I said that it blinked twice?
Yeah.
It blinks twice. Well, I'm gonna see if we can utilize that. I'm gonna have to put some more glue on there.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up?
Like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you're curious what we're doing. We are working with pulse motors.
I am currently trying to get this set up. So we put the reed switch on a tangent with the coil. Okay? And doing so, it blinks twice as it passes. So we're gonna see if we can't utilize that second blink. Right?
That's right.
So we'll get a big push and then a smaller push. And a big push and a smaller push. I hope this works, because that would be awesome. So that's our configuration.
I hear it, and that's to see if we can take advantage of the double push.
Yes.
Got it. I saw Blink 182 in concert twice with Green Day. Oh yeah, that was 20 years ago. 22 years ago.
All right, we're just gonna do one strand on this 24 4-filer. So we're just gonna do number one. So one, bam.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up? All right, we're almost done hooking this up. Hopefully it'll work the first time. Since we're using a reed switch, it might be okay. So we gotta just hook this back into the loop. And I'm gonna turn off the power to do that.
Yeah.
Back in the day is right. All right, but it's cool. Back in the day is the day. Awesome. Oh, man, I'm gonna step on that.
Oh, is there still? I bet. Nope, we're good.
All right, so
So when we were talking about double blinking earlier, this is what we're talking about. The what would this be called? Digital reed switch?
it's a high frequency. It starts with a P, phonomic.
Okay.
Reed switch. All right, let me get this. Oh man, really gotta clean this place up.
Can you hear me now? Check, check. Okay, good. Good,
All
good,
right,
good.
Sweet. Oh man. Yeah, I'm thinking I might have to get a new phone because I let the kids take the video that one night and it hasn't worked since very long. Just the way things are.
It is.
It's the truth.
We love our children.
We do, but god dang. All right, give that a little twist.
Anyway,
Anyway,
that was barely anything, guys.
power in the palm of your hand.
We're trying to run both pulse motors off of the same loop. I think it's doing something.
No, this is not doing anything.
Okay, got it.
But these two are doing something.
Yes.
Okay, we gotta stop it, and we're gonna move it to the 90-degree position.
Okay.
And break something. Accidentally, of course.
That actually gets hot.
Trying to stop it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to see. This is why I want to get it right the first time, because you gotta unclip it, bring it over to where the glue gun is.
Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome to the channel.
Thank you for coming.
Like and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments.
Don't be afraid to join up. Don't be afraid to join up, man. We are all in this together.
I want to say, so I haven't seen your background in a long time, Kale. What is his background on his YouTube channel look like? I can't remember. Wasn't it that
just changed recently?
Right, I remember the one that was it looked like a lab.
Yeah.
Go for the gold. Okay, I'll have to check it out. Oh, never mind. Yep, then I will have to get that's inside knowledge.
Man, I saw that rotor from the record player. Yeah, man, that's awesome. That thing moves, dude.
I will check it out. I'm gonna step outside for 5 minutes.
I can't.
You just want me to put it right here? I want to smoke.
I understand. You just get one of my kids, please.
Yep.
Thank you. All right, the cameraman had to take a smoke break real quick. Hey, man, what's up, son? You want to hold the camera?
I'll do it.
Don't push buttons, please.
Okay.
All right. All right, you know what you gotta do?
Yep.
All right. All right, let me get down there.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah,
Why can't we use that?
you can do, because I couldn't get it out and do it myself just because we're in the middle of stuff. You want to get it out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I think I can get it now. Just hold that. I got this. Hold that.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. I apologize. We're just gonna get underway now. As soon as my brother comes back, we'll get some better angles on stuff. All right, I'm gonna turn on the power now. About 30 volts. And it's under 8 amps. That's all I can tell you. So we're getting a slow rotation. Hell yeah, you're doing a good job making it look like a lab. I thought it looked really good. So we got rotation here. It's nothing special right now. We'll probably hook up some more copper to this. Can't find my tack meter. So we're gonna hook up another 24 gauge 4-filer, just like this one. Let me see if I can just find one real quick. Got it. All right. So we got rotation, but I'm gonna try and get it so it'll go really fast. And what we're looking at here is this pulse motor over here. Oh shit. Haha. Alright, so I'm gonna correct that real fast. That is a MOSFET. MOSFET, yeah. This is an NPN. What's up, Wonder?
I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I was just coming in here to say bye because Uncle Chris is here now. Welcome back, dude.
Good job.
And hold the camera if you want.
I will get the camera.
Okay, I'm taking the camera.
Good job, Kate. Awesome.
Alright, that's second one. Second one. Maybe I should hook up the other power supply back up. Because we just blew another transistor.
Mmm.
I'm down dead boards on his account.
Yeah, it definitely does look like a lab.
Yeah.
And I like how you have the, you know, your screen right there in the background running sometimes.
Alright, that's gonna be awesome, I think.
I'm joining dead boards.
Thank you, son. Yeah, he was definitely pulling some copyright right there. Gotta keep that on the DL.
Yeah, I was like going around it. Hold on 1 second.
Um,
What's up, Michael Jackson?
hey, Michael Jackson, what's up? Setup is for my pleasure. Actually, it's a pulse motor, transformer, generator, and we're using it to operate this pulse motor over here. We're just getting everything squared away the way we want it. It's pretty much it's just that there were so much changes in this one over here that we had to do another stream about it because it works so much smoother now that I'm burning transistors up. No, I'm just kidding. It works a lot. I think it works better. It's more stable. I just took the maglev out. And rested the whole thing on just a bearing.
He's become very ambidextrous, folks, doing all this. He'll like hold stuff with one hand and then like do a Rubik's Cube with another. It's funny.
Yeah, man, when there's nowhere to put stuff down at, you gotta hold on to it.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get the cardinal first, and then we're gonna worry about other stuff afterwards. Alright, good. In the trash, where it belongs.
So Michael asked, what would you say the main practical use would be?
To generate electricity.
Bam.
Bingo. You mean, am I going to sell it to you and have you generate electricity with it? I don't think that's practical. I know you said practical, but that's not what I'm talking about. It's practical for me. Practicality. What? I'm struggling with the word practical. Like, this isn't this isn't made for mass production. If that's what you're practicing, I don't know, man. It's not something that I would sell to my friends.
He said, LOL, well, yeah, but it's not really over Unity, is it?
Oh, hell no. Hell no, it's a transformer. It just, sometimes on paper it'll look like over Unity, but it's not. Because you've got 600 turns on the drive side, and you've got almost 100,000 turns on the generator side.
Yeah, we've run a light.
I struggle with the word practical because the world's becoming less and less practical.
Can't
Or what we
disagree
think
with
is
that.
practical, you know?
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up? Yes, you can definitely run a light off of it. As a matter of fact, we will do that in our demonstration once I get everything hooked up. But yeah, I've been like yelling at myself forever, saying, "Is the only thing this thing is good for is to light a light or to charge a battery?" Because I had no use for any of that. I got my power supply, and the lights are working, so I don't need to. But yes, I was struggling with having it run another motor because whatever I did, I just didn't have enough, or I didn't have the right stuff or anything, and it wouldn't work.
So he was saying practicality meaning what stuff? can it run? And then if it's scaled, can you get it to where the whole house would be able to get it? And that I don't know, but I've heard comments of people who have done systems like that, right?
Like what?
To set up things where they're running appliances, where they're running their lights.
I've heard people talk about it. I've never actually seen somebody make a video about it. I've never actually seen it.
That's right. I haven't seen it.
I've heard
either.
a lot about it.
I've heard them talk
a lot
about
about it, but nobody will actually, show me.
But I'm sure, we don't have the electrical engineering
Oh yeah.
background.
Yeah.
So
I don't have any of that.
or
I just
mechanical engineering background.
started doing this for fun, and I figured out a way that you might be able to make an engine, a magnetic engine, using pistons, magnetic pistons, and a rotor. I don't know how far it would go, or if it would even work, but I'd probably go as far as my torque in my wrist. That's what I'm guessing. But who knows? I really like to, I don't like to be a stickler, but I like to keep things realistic, practical. I think a flying machine based on these concepts is, practical if we can figure out how to utilize the exponential gain from a 0 point, because it's not double. I mean, I get double just doing this.
So the ME. Okay, so what happened? Was it last year or earlier this year with nuclear fusion? What happened there? Was there some kind of?
I don't know, but I do know that the Tesla files were released just recently, past couple of years. I don't know about nuclear.
Because I know you have to get superheated things to make that happen.
What happened?
The fusion tech that they have right now.
Oh, it's not super cool?
Mm-mm.
All right. See you later, Peter.
No, he's back.
Oh, you're back now. Okay.
Oh, it is super cool. So you're right, bro. Yeah, that I have no idea.
Yeah, I believe that the super coldness reduces the friction that's caused by heat.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So was it heat or cool or super cool?
Super cool.
With that experiment.
Which one? I don't know which experiment you're talking about. So.
I think there's 3 or 4 companies working on this. I gotta look at a video. I think it's The Next Big Future was the channel, and he's definitely into this stuff. Endothermic event. Okay. So I know that's completely different from like Tesla, or is it?
I'm sure it wasn't out of his scope. All right, give it a rip. Here we go. Nope, something's not right.
Okay, so no double blank.
It's not. I'm not working with double blick right now. I was.
So what's not right?
There should be a lot more torque than there is right now.
Understood. Do you think this needs to?
It's either the order of the coils or one of the. They have to be swapped because it's a reed switch.
Okay.
I don't know which one's good and which one's not. That could take all night to figure out, really. But it's working. Just it could work better on a. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This might be good. It's gonna start moving, but not that fast. So. But the next coils that I put on will be. It'll probably be right here, right next to, and this one will skip. Right next to the coil, pickup coil basically, because the double blink is real. And I'll probably hook up the rest of the wires.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Like and subscribe, drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you got any questions. You ever seen anything like this before? Do you know what we're doing?
I don't like wires. Two, three, So I think I may have found I'm just going to try swapping these. Well, that one looked pretty strong. Alright, now I just need to hook up this one. I think we're on the right track. I feel lucky for some reason. Alright, cut the power, please. Thank you, sir. I just don't want to blow another transistor. I'm sure running those for longer periods of time will cause that to happen automatically. Alright, we're almost done here. I could see better. No, I mean, I'm blind as a bat. Right. I believe this is a 26 gauge coil. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. Sorry. I mean, it is time consuming. I apologize.
Well, this is Papa Bale at work. These ones might be touching. Here.
Yep, and there might be nothing that I can do about it.
Okay.
I mean, I could get some tape if you could find some tape. I don't know where any tape is. There's some tape. Look good? Right here. No, need more tape.
Nice.
What's up?
Nice work.
Does it work now?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, alright. Now, the test mode. Alright, give us a shot. 15 volts in. I don't know what it is.
We've been going for 1 hour, 11 minutes, and 11 seconds.
It's pretty good. I'm getting kind of exhausted.
Yeah, this one's been a nice one. And there's been a couple of smoky transistors.
Mm. I mean, the only other difference is that the trigger coil in this pulse motor up here used to be on here.
Okay.
And it's made out of 32. I think it's working better now. So you can see that torque kind of happening when it crosses the light. Alright, so we'll turn the light on. Maybe it's not hooked up right. 'Cause all this stuff has been joshed around a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna get this light to work real quick.
There we go.
See, and it's timed exactly to the speed of this pulse motor. I had it going way better. Almost to the point where it wasn't blinking. So look at that. I mean, with this one, it should probably be 32 gauge. I'm thinking. Because the only difference is this one wasn't on here. It was, like I said, the 32 gauge with 4,000 turns in it. So like a 5,000 turn, something like that, you know. Similar. at the moment.
Yes.
So we're gonna call it. We might post another video later on this evening, but we're gonna call it for now. I'm gonna try my damnedest to get this pulse motor moving faster. And I think I'm gonna do it with 32 gauge coils. Wow.
So thank you everybody for coming.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We appreciate you. And we want you to come on down. Please like and subscribe. Hit the join button. Establish a membership with us. And help guide the way. This is truly been a YouTube project from the start. Not for monetization, but as a video diary for myself, and yeah, to incorporate your ideas into my designs.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, come build, come co-create.
Co-creation is what this is. I mean, if you ever wanted a better co-op,
Bring it on.
this is it, man. This is where we all come together, share our ideas. But, you know, communication is key. Crystal clear communication is important to allow members of a group to communicate, to create better and better things. So, you know, I've heard a lot of stuff that, in my opinion, doesn't really mean much because of how it's been communicated. So for instance, last thing I'm going to talk about, somebody came up and described my channel as something that they couldn't use because they were a beginner. I strongly disagree. Strongly disagree with that. If you're a beginner, come on down. If you don't know what's going on, come on down. If you have questions, come on down.
Yeah, because he's learned quite a bit in the last 18 months. So take a look at some of the older videos on the channel too. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, the evolution has truly caught fire, man. It is truly great. And I really just, I like doing this. I like other people who like doing this. What is this? This is a hobby. This is a pastime. I mean, there's definitely a call for new electric motors and stuff like that. This is not a new electric motor. This is a very old design. As somebody said earlier, so nonchalantly, 1760s. You know, Isaac Newton, stuff like that. Yeah, man, you gotta just realize that when God created the universe, He sat back and watched it happen. He didn't like, you are now gonna do this, and you are now gonna do this, and this, and that. He just watched it happen. Laid back. These are not for you know, it's more of a force. It's an all-encompassing force with God, I would assume. It affects everybody equally. But to change that force into a power,
You need a pulse motor.
you need a pulse motor.
Sorry.
That's brilliant. You need a pulse motor, and you need to make it yourself.
Yes, do it, you guys. It's fun.
Yeah, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm excited.
So share the love, and come on down and watch these magnets fly.
No, that's terrible, man. Watch them fly. You go to like every corner of the room instantaneously.
That was the wrong. Yes,
That was,
words. Yeah.
yeah, wrong thing. It's all right. It's all good. Yeah, man, it's great.
But we'll be trying to do some lives more, and we're hoping for collaboration, co-creation, and you guys putting in suggestions, and we'll, build them in real time.
Yeah, please don't be afraid. Step up. Be constructive. Yeah, I'm thrilled that you're a funny guy, but just be constructive.
All right, man. Anything else?
Nah, I'm kind of ranting and raving at the moment. So, with that, I'd like to say good night. Peace out. Have a good night. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and join. Please become a part of our journey as we're not exactly sure where we're going, but we know how we're going to get there. Peace out. No, I'll just buy it, and then I'll look at it. I'll study it from the one that's already put together.
All right.
But yes, that's a great idea. I really appreciate your suggestion, Fan 1701. Oh, is that Anno? Tell me that's Anno 1701, man. Fan 1701. Tell me your name has to do with that game, Anno.
I like that game.
But yeah, I was seriously considering buying a 4-way SG, the Dini circuit, to run this. That's a great suggestion, man. I'm actually headed down that route just really soon. It's funny you said that.
All right. So thank you.
Yeah, maybe Tri-Filer. I don't know. Well, we're definitely going to scope out those different circuits.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you, Fan 1701. Good night, everybody.